How do you fix Mortal Shell 2 is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click the game in your library and click on the properties, and in the properties window launch options you will need to add -dx11 to the launch options. Then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam, and then you will need to open up a new browser tab and head to this link, which is in the description below. And from the redistributables table, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64. And this will require computer restart when you finish. So right after the restart, what you need to do as well is check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. For NVIDIA, you can use the NVIDIA app, and for AMD software, you can use the AMD if you're running AMD card, and then check for the latest available driver and make sure to download it and install it. Now all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then open up the game from your library, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.